Hi, my name is Christy. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Digitouch Johannesburg, and I'm introducing our new product, which is the Automatic Facial Thermal Recognition Device, and it's by B-Temp, which is powered by Digitouch. I'm going to show you now how it scans a face.
Normal temperature. Normal temperature.
Okay, so as you can see, it takes a couple of seconds to read your temperature. There will be an alarm that goes off if your temperature is too high. It actually integrates with third-party solutions such as gates, alarms, turnstiles. So if your temperature is too high, it's not going to allow you access. It then makes staff feel a lot more comfortable in the workplace, knowing that the people that are in the workplace are not infected and do not have a high temperature. Thank you.